Welcome in the 7th and last section of our Enterprise Automation in Python course. In this section, we'll be looking at the ways of automating cloud infrastructure, particularly Amazon Web Services, using Python. So we'll see what a Boto module is. We'll be using that Boto to automate our infrastructure. We'll be installing that Boto module and we'll see how to use it with AWS. We'll be creating EC2 instances using Boto package. And this is a first video in which we will be installing Boto module. So we'll see what a Boto is and what can we achieve using that module. At the end we'll be installing Boto module. So Boto is available on GitHub and we can see on that page the description that this is an Amazon Web Services software development kit for Python programming language, and it allows Python developers to write software that makes use of services like Amazon S3 and Amazon EC2. And we can find the latest version here and also documentation how to set up it. And also we have a detailed documentation of the Boto free read the docs IO. So if you are interested in anything, any particular special, you can go to this website. So let's see what we can achieve using Boto module. So we can use Amazon S3 and its API. We can use Amazon EC2 and also its API. So we can automate nearly everything related to those services. Also we can use Amazon SQS, that this is a queue from Amazon Web Services. And let's see first what an S3 is. So S3 has a simple web services interface that allows us to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. And it gives any developer access to the same highly scalable, reliable, fast and inexpensive data storage infrastructure that Amazon uses to run its own global network. And this service aims to maximize benefit of scale and to pass those benefits to the developers. And second thing that we'll be automating using Python is EC2. So this is an elastic compute cloud and we'll be calling it EC2. Provides scalable computing capacity in the Amazon Web Services cloud. We can use EC2 and it will eliminate need to invest in hardware upfront, so we can develop and deploy applications faster. We can use EC2 to launch as many or as few virtual services and servers as we need, and we can configure security, networking and manage storage of those services. Also EC2 enables us to scale up or down to handle changes in requirements on spikes in popularity, so it reduces our need if we are building application to forecast traffic of our website. We will be using Boto free because we are using Python 3, the newest version of that language. So we can specify pip install Boto free and we will be ready to go and ready to use that library.